Okay, okay. Go ahead, go.
Car goes into drive. Hi there. Car noise. Car noise. Ma'am.
They're probably used to this. I'm just saying. They're probably used to this, honestly.
Car noises.
You guys are used to this, aren't you?
Good
Drunk
Madam.
gays. Drunk gays.
Our car's running out of gas. And a final pig.
Where's the...
Ma'am.
You guys are taking up my battery.
Is it really not coming?
I told you guys gotta have a car.
It's not a car.
Because you're not making real car noises. You're going...
I
felt like I was being really believable.
No, you weren't being really believable, Carlos.
I can make it down here. And I'm gonna order $100 worth of things and then drive off.
Do it.
It's happening right now. Let's go.
Whoa. Hold on, I gotta not videotape that.